channel where I talk about finance, stock, investment, and everything about earning more income on the online space. And I want to quickly talk about the businesses you can start with low capital, or that does not require much capital for you to start. And one of them is cake and pastry business, and buying and selling of goods. If you check my previous videos, you will see where I talk about different sites you can import goods from China at the lowest amount and sell at a profit. So buying and selling of goods, clothing material, or whatever you are interested in, then you can coach or train people about the skill you know best to do. Then also you can go into laundry business and make your income. If you don't have the washing machine to start with, you can start with your hands, and with time you'll buy the machine. Take note of all this. Start now and start earning income. Have a nice time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.